everyone. For an arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first n terms is n squared plus 3n plus a, where the first term is a sub 1 and the common difference is n. We're going to find the value of a plus d. So since we have our sum of all the n terms is n squared plus 3n plus a, what we want to do is look at a case 1 where n is greater than or equal to 2. And what we want to find is our d, so we're going to look for a sub n. And since we're only given the sum formula, our nth term is always going to be the sum of all the terms minus the sum of all the terms except the last term. Right? So if you have a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus ... plus a sub n minus 1 plus a sub n, then this would be the sum of all the terms. And if you subtract this sum here, you're left with a sub n. All right, given that, we're going to use our formula and fill in s sub n. So s sub n is just going to be what it is. So we're going to write s sub n minus s sub n minus 1. All right, so that's going to be, you just copy it down, n squared plus 3n plus a minus s sub n minus 1. So everywhere there's an n, we're going to substitute n minus 1. So that's going to be n minus 1 squared plus 3n minus 1 plus a. All right, simplifying all this, we're going to get n squared plus 3n plus a. This is n squared minus 2n plus 1. So that's going to be minus n squared plus 2n minus 1. This is going to be 3n minus 3. So that's going to be minus 3n plus 3. And then we still have this minus a. And what happens here is the a's cancel. These cancel. 3n's cancel. So basically what we're left is 2n and then plus 2. So a sub n equals 2n plus 2. All right, now when n is 1, this is case 2. So when n is 1, all you do is substitute in a sub 1, and that's going to be s sub 1. So substitute in 1. You get 1 into here, 1 squared plus 3 plus a. So that's going to be 4 plus a. Now what we want to look at is our second term. So our second term is your first term plus your common difference, right? So anytime you do the second term, all you have to do is add the common difference. So basically, I'm going to look at the second term to find my value of a plus d. So for the second term, I plug in it into here, or I plug it into which one? This one right here. So if I substitute in 2 into here, I'm going to get 2 times 2 plus 2 equals, and then for my first term, we have 4 plus a, but I have to add this d to it. Correct? All right, because if this is our first term, then our second term is going to be 4 plus a plus d, because you're adding that common difference. All right, so this is going to give you 6 equals 4 plus a plus d. So since we only have to find a plus d, subtract 4 from both sides, and you're going to get 2 equals a plus d. And that's all we needed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.